What is good, viewers? I am MocaStayHot, and I thank you so much for checking out this video. Today we are decluttering my laundry room cabinets. If you're not familiar with my channel, I have done a laundry room clean with me here before, so I will link that down below in the description box. Meanwhile, I don't like to waste time getting started, so let's do work. I cannot believe I was not recording. So yeah, thank goodness my baby spotted my camera and told me that I was not recording so that I could actually get the camera rolling. Anyway, it has been way too long, unfortunately, since I've decluttered these cabinets. I've probably done so maybe twice in the 15 years we've been in this home. Sad to say, but thank goodness for growth. That will not happen again. Now, in the video, I do fidget with way too many things, just trying to decide if it's something we should keep or something we shouldn't. So let me know down below in the comment section if you do a lot of that when you're decluttering. I find myself wasting way too much time on one or two things that I should just be able to say either keep it or not, period. Let me just keep it all the way real with y'all, especially these ladies that watch these videos, because I think I don't really have men that watch my cleaning videos. But girl, I was about to be on timeout, so I was bloated and looking all kind of crazy in this video, and I'm sorry. But this is like one of the best times for me to clean. Like, this is when I like to get a deep clean in, when I'm on my cycle. It's the truth. It's the truth. That's when I get the best clean. I just feel like everything is nasty and I just want to clean everything. So if you can relate to that truth, please comment down below with an emoji or something, just so I know you heard that part. The area right here in front of this intense box had something spill a while ago, and we just really need to do something with the bottom of this cabinet. I'm thinking about putting some sort of paper or something down just to hide it or cover it and make it pretty, because I don't think we'll be replacing the cabinet, at least not anytime soon. But I do want it to be kind of cute down there. But I need to go out and grab something to put down there, so you won't see me like really wiping that part down, because I don't want to continue to take away the material that's down there after wetting it up. But I did sweep it pretty good and run my paper towel and my microfiber cloth across it a couple times. OMG, I'm so excited. Once again, you stuck around to see my favorite part, a clean space. Look at this. I did that. Toots my own horn. Yeah, you have to encourage yourself sometimes. This feels so good. It feels so good. I have all my soaps together. In that box back there are all of my Airwick air fresheners. I used to be a super couponer, so I had like a zillion of those around the house, but I just kept the ones that were in the packages in case I need to refer back to them at any point. These are some just extra laundry stuff. Of course, the scent boosters and the Tide pen. I found some smoke detectors, and that's that little emergency lantern back there that I couldn't get open in the video. We do have two of those. I think Babe knows where the other one is. But I actually have space in here. I could put more things in here, and that gives me so much joy. Now, I did purchase 6 items when doing this room. That green basket that says dry erase on them is one of them. I have 2 more of those, as well as these baskets that you're going to see in the other cabinet that has the holes in it. The 3 baskets, the green one, the blue one, and the red one. So I got them all from the Dollar Tree. They were $1 each, of course. So that is the $6 that I spent to do this space. I do plan on peeling off the dry erase sticker and writing on these containers. However, I'm not sure if this is how the space is going to stay exactly. So I'm just going to hold off on that for now. But look at my space. I just love opening it. Like, sometimes I open it just because I just want to open it. I don't need anything. I just open it because I want to see how clean it is and organized. So please comment down below and let me know if you do that too. I got it real bad, Michael Jackson. But anyway, I have my barbecue things back there in the back. The gloves and the charcoal lighter fluid and some grill cleaner, and all of the lights are all together back there. You saw me in the video take some shot glasses out of that box that the barbecue stuff is sitting on, because Babe collects shot glasses, so I didn't want to take those out of there. He has so many in the house, and apparently this is where he wants to store the leftovers. But anywho, if you dig this video, please do give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you were, so please do subscribe. I hope you're all having an amazing day today, on purpose of course, and I'll be back to chat with you soon in my very next video. Ciao.